Quickly, we're going to cover how to edit the availability dates on the C&K calendar. First thing you want to do is go to callcnk.com/user and enter in the credentials that came along with this video in the email. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the admin toolbar is now at the top. Be mindful of any changes you make could adversely affect the website and its functionality. So for this video, we're just going to stick to editing the calendar days. If we take a look at the appointment schedule page now, we'll notice there are three availability types: open availability, limited availability, and no availability. The easiest way to enter in these availability types is the first way I'm going to show you. We're going to go up here to content and just click the main content button. We'll get a list of all the content on the website, but we're only concerned with the calendar stuff. So let's go ahead and go to no availability and click filter, and that should give us just one result. And from here we can edit this day. You're also allowed from within this one day to have multiple days. So we can set a range of dates that we have no availability. So from the 9th, for example, to the 23rd, we can have no availability. Or the other way we can do it is to set it on repeat. We can repeat it weekly, monthly, yearly, etc. So if you wanted to have every Friday show no availability, this would be where you would do it. So we'll go ahead and select the 15th. We're going to repeat it weekly, every week, on Friday, and we're going to let it go until 2014 March of 2014. And then you can also include or exclude certain Fridays, things like that here. It's all very self-explanatory, so you can edit it here. But keep in mind, if you edit this date, it will change the date on the calendar. So right now, we're actually editing the 8th right here, March 8th, 2013. That's the single no availability day on the calendar right now. So if we change this, it will remove this no availability date. If you want to add a completely new date that's not repeating or it's just on its own, it's the second way to edit the calendar. We'll go up here to content, add content, and we're going to add no availability. We'll click that. And let's go ahead and make a single no availability date on the 22nd. And we'll just hit save. And it'll probably require us to have a title. Yeah, it looks like it errored out, so we'll go ahead and refresh that. Just put anything you want, it doesn't matter, it doesn't show. And we're only going to have one day, 15th. You don't need to select any other options, just hit save. That piece of content is created, no availability, Friday, March 13th, 2013. Now if we go to our appointment schedule, we'll see that on the calendar right here. It looks like we should have gone ahead and named the piece of content no availability. So we can change that by going to our content up here. And let's find that no avail that we just added. Here it is right here at the top, edit. And let's change it to no availability. Hit save, and we'll have updated that piece of content. Let's refresh our calendar here, and it now shows no availability on the 15th. Let's say that we don't want that day there anymore. The best way to get rid of it would be to go to our content, and we would do a filter. Let's go ahead and reset that so we can show how to find it. So type no availability, filter it. This is the one we just created. It was published today, 3/9. Let's go to delete right here and go ahead and delete that piece of content. If we close out of our content menu, we will see that reflected on the calendar here. Limited availability works the exact same way. We go up to add content and do limited availability, or we can edit the existing limited availability. So let's clear our filter, go to type, limited availability, let's find it. Here it is, let's edit it. And on this one you can add multiple singular days, just slightly different. So right now we have March 13th as limited availability. We can add another day, let's say the 21st, and then let's add another day, the 27th. So all three of these days will show limited availability on the calendar. Another way to do it, we can also set a range of dates, the 13th through the 29th. Those will all now be limited availability. You can delete these just by clearing the blanks out, and we'll change this one to the 29th right here, and just have a singular day, the 29th, show limited availability, and hit save. Go ahead and close, and we'll see that reflected here on the calendar, limited availability. Open availability is on repeat for the year. So if you wanted to block Fridays off, the easiest way to do it would be to hit no availability and put it on repeat, just to block your Fridays off. Any questions, please email them over. I can do an updated video or a simple quick answer via email.